What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Decentraland Mana, which has pumped up 14% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 35 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to. Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Should you hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. Can it go past the $1 mark? And also covering both short-term and long-term investors' point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a 100k subscriber giveaway at the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all of that stuff, guys. You know what to do, and let's get straight into it. So on the screen right now, we are on the Coinbase website, and in the last 24 hours, the market is up just about a percentage, and we can see Mana here over the last 24 hours has pumped up 14%. In the last hour, it has dropped just about half a percentage, but again, that is absolutely normal. And over the last day, we can see it's gone up 14%, over the week 19%, and over the month it is 10% down. So as I keep mentioning, 2023 so far has been quite good for the crypto market. It's been moving more towards the green side rather than the red side. But when you zoom out to the monthly chart, when we take December into consideration, most cryptos are still down. As you can see, Mana is a great example. It is 10% down, but when we look at the weekly, daily, and hourly chart, it looks quite good. But yeah, it hasn't recovered fully. It is still on the red side overall. So going onto the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $109 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Mana. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a huge amount of money being invested into the crypto, and a lot of sellers as well. I'm expecting a lot of people to be selling it, taking out their profits, especially that Mana has been down for quite a while. It's finally decided to pump up in value, so people will take advantage of selling it, but a lot of people will also be investing into it as it is getting a lot of attention. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart, and I'm also going to have the Fibonacci scale up for later on in the video when I'm going to do the technical analysis. But for now, we're just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Decentraland, which at the moment is 31 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 35 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? We can see that the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value on Decentraland. Why is that? So as usual, in most of my videos, I keep saying this, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here to Mana, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here. So yes, it has gone for an increase in value, so now it's time for it to slowly and steadily start to drop in value. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently dropping in value for the next 12 hours. Of course not. We are going to have green hours, red hours, so up and down. It's very likely for it to hit 38 cents as well, and then potentially towards the end of the day, over the next 12 to 14 hours, start to drop back down to around the 32 to 33 cents target is where I'm expecting Mana to be trading at by the end of the day today and the early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, we kind of have a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, both the lines are going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Mana over the coming days. So by the end of next week, Mana should be trading around the 35 to 36 cents target, somewhere in between here. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be staying at this current price range consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely likely to drop down, as I mentioned, later on today, tomorrow, and then peak back up in value, up and down, being quite volatile. But the overall outcome, so towards the end of next week, we should be seeing Mana trading around the 35 to 36 cents target, somewhere in between where it's at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we are looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line going in a positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what I am expecting from Mana over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late February, early March 2023. I'm expecting Mana to be trading above the 40 cents target, and again, we've still got a good 6 to 8 weeks left, so it's going to take its time to increase in value, and hopefully we should be trading above the 40 cents target by the end of February and early March as well. However, this of course depends on the crypto market conditions, such as if there's a major pump, major dump in cryptocurrencies, major crashes, bull runs and so on. It will have either a negative or positive impact on the value of Mana and most cryptocurrencies out there as well. But if I can predict anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good, guys. It is looking quite positive for Mana for the next couple of weeks. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on Mana. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. Over the last year or so, we've been getting worse and worse and worse, as you can see, slowly and steadily dropping in value down to the red zone. And at the moment, guys, we are currently trading at 35 cents, and for us to hit the green zone or even the resistance target, we're going to have to hit $1.46, as you can see here. So that's going to require us to go for about a 300 to 400% increase, which I'm not expecting from Mana anytime soon. So more or less, at least for the next 4 to 5 months, is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, and hopefully second half of the year we should be able to head into the green zone, depending on how the crypto market performs. But again, that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, going above the $1 mark, we should be good to go. And my end of year prediction for Mana is going above the $1 mark. Again, $1 may seem quite easy, especially that we've got a good 11.5 months left. It may look like, yeah, you know what, it can easily hit the dollar mark. But again, you have to take into consideration the drops, the crashes and all of that stuff. Again, yeah, it's a very volatile market. You guys know what I'll be talking about if you have been in the crypto market for a while now. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Mana, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below your predictions on this crypto. What is your end of year target for Mana? What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. That is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment and all of that stuff. You know what to do, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.